What happened?
Well, Amanda, your jeans were dirty, okay? So you told me to wash them. So I put them in when you went home. And I couldn't find any washing up powder or any, the water thing. So I used this, the dishwashing stuff. I just used it from the top. I didn't think bubbles were going to come out.
Did you use all that?
Yeah. But they were really dirty. And so were my white ones. And now it won't open. It won't stop. And there's fucking stuff coming out. Look. Ken, look. Ew.
Oh no, what's it doing?
Oh.
Bubble fight.
And then bubble fight.
Is that going to make it look pretty?
Yeah. Bubble fight.
Don't you hear nothing? Bubble fight! I can't see, turn the light on. Whoa, whoa! You're not funny, man. What's your name, mate? Stephanie. Stephanie. Thank you.